If you refer to my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop. It dropped and almost near to this low, but it haven't broke the or tagged this low, because we mentioned if the price can break this low, then we can get the, at least confirmation the next move is the one is going to break this top. Okay, now we want to see, can we look for any trade setup right now? As we can see, the price haven't broke this low. Okay, even if this one turned to a correction for sell, we are not going to sell it because almost as low, unless it become really corrective and give a big correction or big move similar to what we have here. That's why if we get any buy setup, we can trade it. Okay, as we can see the price moving, if this one continue and break this one of the option, and give a correction, even give a small correction of flag, then any buy from there we can take it. And when the price come to this high, we start to manage. We see if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, no. Okay, now we want to see, wait for another 1 or 2 hours. We see this one can give us any buy, um, any buy setup or not. There is why we wanna, if we get any buy, we wanna take it. The reason is if we get the buy over stop loss be below this. In terms of the risk and reward, if the price can get and break this top, in terms of the risk and reward, can give us really good trade. But we have to wait for the continuation and correction. Right now we cannot jump into the trade. And if we move to 15 minutes, okay, can we expect to have entry above this one? In case this one the price sharply continue, okay, again having entry above this top, which the price is 1531, is really risky. But if we want to trade, what we want a price tag break and continue. If the tag is not moving, we take out the trade, but it depends on the traders whether they have experience or not. Okay, why? Because still we can expect this one become a correction for one move down. Okay, but when we put this one based on 15 minutes, we are just I'm just talking based on 15 minutes, we will have a divergence. Okay, by the way, this trade we call, having a entry above the top is really risky. I just leave it for the traders. But if you want to look for buy based on 1 hour chart, we get the sharp move flag, we take the buy, because in terms of the risk and reward can give us really good trade if it move. Okay, no, we will need to see. That's the reason is I mentioned if the price come to this high, we have to start to manage because we can expect the flat for next move down. Okay, by the way, we just follow and see whether we can get any trade setup here or not. Right now, we don't have a trade setup. Can we consider this one as a trade setup, which we had this move and the correction? Okay, if anyone wants to take it, still you can take it. But that's why since this one move already, if we want to trade, we can have entry above this, but we want a price break and continue. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. We see based on 1 hour chart whether we can get any trade setup or not. And again, if we get any trade setup, you see it's not moving really fast, in terms to the corrective move, we just take out the trade, don't stay with the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If we see any update, I will share. Thanks.